show you how to upload new images to your website. So it's really important that your images are the correct size. If they are too big, then they're going to take forever to load and take a lot of space on your website, and that won't do well for your rankings and for page speed. The faster your website is, the better user experience people have. So the best thing, there are two ways to see what size you need your image to be. If you're using Google Chrome or even Safari, you can go right click and say inspect. Let's make that smaller. And if you click on this little arrow here and you hover over your image, you can see that it is 490 by 490, that top right number. Alternatively, you can come to your media library and find the image. Oh, and it's 1280 by 1280. So that is already far too big, but my file size is only 83, so that's not too big. You want all images to be under 250 kilobytes. But because we've checked here and it's 490 by 490, we'll make our new image that size, and then it should hopefully be even smaller than the 83 kilobytes, which means it'll load faster. So you can use Photopea, which is like Photoshop online, and it's free. So you'll go File, Open, and find the image that you want. So I'm just going to choose this one. This is crop, or you can go edit. I don't actually know where edit. Oh, crop is there, so we'll just choose it here. I'm wanting it to be a square, which it is already. Perfect. Then image size. You want to make sure first that the DPI, the resolution, is only 72, as that is screen resolution. And already it's much smaller. You don't need the resolution to be any higher, as screens are 72 DPI. It's 600 by 600, so I'm going to make that 490 by 490. Make sure to change your resolution first before your width, because if you change your width first, it'll resize down, and then when you change your resolution, it'll make it even smaller, which you don't want it that small. So press OK, and then just go File, Export as JPEG, and save. I'm just going to save it on my desktop. Okay, now this is the important part. There is a website, tinypng.com, and it compresses your images for you. So once you've resized it, you want to grab it and pop it in here. So it's 60 kilobytes and it's gone down to 53. So this wasn't a huge compression, but still, it all makes a difference. So I'm going to download it, save it on my desktop again. Okay, now you're going to come to where you want to replace the image, and you will launch Beaver Builder. So there are two ways. You can either launch Beaver Builder and click on this little tool on the top, and you can just say remove and select photo and upload it, or you can come to your media library and add new. But it's perfectly fine to do it from on the page. So we'll add that in. Alt text. This is describe the purpose of the image. So I'll go Malzy Design Studio Website Design and Development. Having this alt text helps your photo to be found on Google Images. Okay. Save, and now you come up to the top and go Done and Publish. And that's how to add in a new photo.